the sun is in my eyes. I am currently at Walgreens. It looks like I'm the only one here, which is cool. But anyways, we're gonna go inside and do some deals. There's some great deals that you guys definitely want to stock up on, especially toothpaste. I know, toothpaste, but we're gonna go inside, do some deals. I'm gonna show you guys around the store, show you different deals that I don't do anyways, and then I'll come back and show you my breakdown on how I did everything, my price, everything, and then I will also have a printable breakdown below. I'm also trying to hit a couple Ibotta deals, because why not? So let's go inside and go shopping. The L'Oreal Elvive is currently on sale, 2 for $8. Now we do have a Walgreens booklet coupon for $2 off of 2, or you guys can clip it to your card and there is a 2 off of 2. We also have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon, or in today's printables we have a 4 off of 2 printable coupon. So you'll end up just getting these for $2 or $1 each. The Garnier Fructis is on sale, 2 for $7. We do have a digital coupon, 4 off of 2, where you guys will end up getting these for $3 or $1.50. Or there is a 3 off of 2 insert coupon, which makes them $2 each. The Oral-B is on sale for $3. We have the Crest toothpaste on sale for $3, and then we have this tiny little bottle of mouthwash on sale for $3. So you guys want to actually buy 4 of them. There is a 6 off of 4 digital coupon that you want to use, so you'll end up paying $6 for 4 of them. But when you guys buy 2, you get $4 cash rewards, so you'll actually get $8 back because you're buying 4. So it ends up becoming a $2 moneymaker. So here we have the Colgate Optic or toothpaste for $4. We currently have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You'll end up paying just $4, but then you get $4 back in cash rewards, making it free. We also have a deal for the $2.99 toothpaste. If you want to do this deal, it is $2.99. You guys want to use a $2 off digital. Otherwise, you can use 2 $2 off coupons. You'll end up paying $1.98. But then you guys will get $2 cash rewards, making them free. You can also use the 2 $2 off insert coupons that we got. So either way, but they both end up becoming free. I think this is a better deal because you get bigger bottles or bigger tubes of toothpaste. If you guys do need some filler items, they do have candy bars for 88 cents if you need some filler items, if you have any register rewards. If you guys are interested in the Toffee Fay, is currently on sale, 2 for $4. You'll pay $4 for it, but then there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, so you'll get $1.50 back with Ibotta, making your final price for these just $2.50 or $1.25 each. The Scott's toilet paper is $5. You guys want to use a $1.25 off Walgreens booklet coupon, making it just $3.75, but we do have a 50-cent off coupon if you guys have that, so you end up using that, making it $3.25 a pack. The all is on sale for 2 for $2.99. We do have a $1.50 off insert coupon. Sorry, it's not focusing, but you guys will end up using that coupon and you'll just get it for $1.49 each. With the Snuggle boosters, these are $2.99. We do have $2 off insert coupons that you guys can use, getting these to be 99 cents. And then we have the regular Snuggle, again $2.99, but we have a $1.50 off insert coupon. You guys will just get this for $1.49. The renews, it says 89 cents. We have a buy 2 get 1 free insert coupon. You guys will just pay $1.78 for 3 of them, which comes out to be just 59 cents each. Just to give you guys a heads up, the summer stuff is starting to go on clearance, so if you are eyeing something, make sure you keep an eye on the prices. Pretty much in about 3 weeks possibly, these could be going 90% off. I can't remember when they went 90% off last year, but the year before that was on September 11th. So just wanted to give you guys a heads up, so if you are eyeing something up, make sure you get it while you can. My store hasn't marked these yet, but the Kellogg cereal is on sale for $1.88. You guys want to use a $1 off a 2 insert coupon. There may be a digital, I scanned it, nothing popped up, but you guys would end up getting these for $2.76 or just $1.38. The Lacombe coffee is on sale, 2 for $5. You guys will end up paying $5 for it, but we do have a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, so you'll get $1.50 back with Ibotta. With Aisle, you guys will get $1 per item, which is a limit of 3. I do have a referral link below if you guys want to join Aisle, and then I will have a video. I also made a video showing you information about that. But in Shopkick, which my app is not working again, I get 435 kicks for purchasing and scanning the product, which is $1.74. So your final price for 2 of those is a 24-cent moneymaker. The Dove body wash is actually on sale too for $13, but we do, and they're also buy one get one 50% off. So you guys want to get 2 of them. There's actually a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that you'll use. You'll pay $7.75. My store hasn't put the tags up yet. Down here they have them, but you'll end up getting $4 cash rewards. So your final total comes out to be $3.75, or just $1.87 each. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I went inside and showed you guys some deals. I'm pretty excited to share with you guys what I got, but I ended up getting it to be a moneymaker. I was not expecting it to be a moneymaker, but everything turned out fine. All my coupons scanned just fine. All my digitals worked just fine. So I love it when everything turns out perfectly. So let's just dig in and I can share with you guys what I got. So here is a great deal that you guys can do, is the Colgate toothpaste. Now I bought 4 of them, okay? So the Colgate toothpaste is $4 on sale. There's just 100 birds that just flew by. $4 on sale. Now we do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon. We also have a $2 off digital coupon, and then there's also $2 off insert coupons. So you guys can pick and choose however you want. But what I ended up doing is I used 2 $2 off insert coupons, and I used the 4 off of 2 digital coupon. Okay, so $4, you guys want to buy 2 of them. You want to use that 4 off of 2 or the $2 off coupons. You'll end up paying just $4 for both of these, but then you get $4 cash rewards, making these free. Now there was the $2.99 ones, but I feel like you get a better deal with the bigger tubes. You know, it lasts a lot longer, so yes. So I did the Scope toothpaste, or the Crest toothpaste, and I also did the Oral-B toothbrushes. Now these were $3 each, and we had a 6 off of 4 digital coupon, 6 off of 4. So you guys will end up, there goes my phone, you guys will end up just paying $6 for the 4 of these, which is an okay deal, but you get $4 in cash rewards for every 2 that you buy. So you'll get $8 back in cash rewards. So this ends up becoming a $2 moneymaker. So you guys will get these for free. So that is a great deal. Now here is something that my husband absolutely loves. It's these La Colombe coffee. Now these were 2 for $5, so you guys would pay $5 for this, but there is a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, times 2, so you get $1.50 back with Ibotta. My Shopkick was working this morning, and then when I get to the store, it's immediately shutting off instantly. I have restarted it. I have uninstalled it, reinstalled it. I contacted the company. They're looking into it. But anyways, so it only lasts for like maybe 5 seconds, but I got it to open just fast enough where I could scan my item. But anyways, with scanning and purchasing the product, you get 435 kicks, which is $1.74. And then if you guys haven't heard of Aisle, Aisle is not an app. It is a text company. All you do is you text them your receipts. There's no app. I will have a referral link below where you guys can get a bonus once you use your thing. But anyways, you get $1 back with Aisle, and it is a limit of 3, so if you guys can buy 2 of them, you'll get $2 back with Aisle. You just send them a picture of your receipt. Now if your receipt is too long, you can send them 2 pictures. It's just, you're actually talking to a real person. You're not talking to a robot. You're texting to a real person. I texted a picture once and my cat was in it, and they're like, oh, what a cute cat. Like, that's how personal they are. But anyways, these come out to be a 24-cent moneymaker, so my husband will be excited that I got him some treats. So I ended up doing the all laundry detergent. This was $2.99. I used a $1.50 off insert coupon that we got from our inserts this past Sunday you guys would just get this for $1.49. So not the greatest deal, but in case you guys need some laundry detergent, definitely go ahead. Now this deal I was pretty excited about. So it was the Dove body wash. Dove body wash. So these were 2 for $13. But there's an all-month deal that makes it buy one, get one 50% off. So one of them is like $6.50, the other one is $3.25. That's a great deal. But there is a 2 off of 2 digital coupon that you'd use. You'd pay $7.75 for the both of these, but then you get $4 cash rewards, and you can pay with points or pay with cash rewards. So both of these come out to be $3.75 or just $1.87. So if you guys factor in the $2 off MoneyMaker, you know, with your Crest toothpaste, you guys can actually figure these to be 87 cents each. So I know a lot of you guys are Dove loyal, so I ended up wanting to share with you that deal. So I ended up doing the Snuggle. Now you gotta really read. So the Snuggle for the $2 off coupon did say in wash scent boosters. It didn't say a size. So this was $2.99, and I used that $2 off coupon, making this just 99 cents, okay? But then I did the other Snuggle. I've been really liking the Snuggle. I used to be Downy loyal, but now I've just been using the Snuggle. So these are $2.99. There's that $1.50 off insert coupon, or there's digitals, but you guys would end up getting this just for $1.49. So yes. Okay, I got a couple more things to share with you. I ended up doing the L'Oreal Elvive. Now these were 2 for $8. I used a 4 off of 2 printable coupon, or there is a digital coupon, plus there is a 2 off of 2 Walgreens booklet coupon. You would just get these for $2. So if you guys need to get some shampoo and conditioner, usually, you know, $1 is a good decent price for shampoo and conditioner. And then I also got the Garnier Fructis. Now my husband works for the company, so I did this with the employee discount because I really like the Garnier Fructis. So these were 2 for $7, but there is a 4 off of 2 digital coupon that you guys want to use. You want to use the digital coupon because the paper coupon is 3 off of 2. But these come out to be just $3 or $1.50 each. And I used to use this stuff like crazy, and I've been kind of wanting to use it again. So that was my haul, you guys. It wasn't much, but I'm happy with what I got. I paid it came out to be $25.68. Now please keep in mind, I never pay that price. I will never pay that price out of pocket. So I always pay with points and all that stuff. But anyways, $25.68. I ended up receiving $24.40 of the cash rewards. Now I know I received 8 for the Crest and $4 I received another $8 for the Colgate. But then I also received $4 for the Dove body wash. So that is 8 plus 8 is 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. I don't know. I might have had a booster attached to it or something. I don't know. But $24.40 back is what I got. I ended up receiving $1.50 back with Ibotta. I will be receiving $1.74 back with Shopkick. Whenever I get the app to work. I get it to work at home. I don't know why. But with Aisle, I get $2 back with Aisle. So my grand total came to be a $3.96 moneymaker, you guys. I made a profit off of everything, and I am pretty excited with everything that I got. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please let me know by giving this video a thumbs up. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys all next week. See you later. Bye-bye.